Welcome back, everyone. I'll go ahead and show you exactly how to fix your Instagram account if for some reason it's just not letting you log in. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons, but typically it's either a network issue, app issue, or the Instagram issue, being the servers are down and stuff. And the very first thing I would recommend you doing every single time whenever your Instagram account gets messed up is to literally check your internet connection. Now, what this is pretty much if you're connected to Wi Fi or your cell signal, this is probably the number one way to determine whether Instagram is stopping you from letting you in or if it's actually a different issue. So, what you want to do is first of all, make your way over to your settings app, whether you're on Android or iOS, it's the same exact process. Then, what you want to do is you essentially just want to see your Wi Fi connection or cell connection, and you want to make sure you're connected to a solid signal. So, as you can see, my Wi Fi, it says I'm connected to a solid signal, and my cellular connection, well, I don't have one, but if you did, it would show up here. Now, once you have all this stuff set up and you think that your Wi Fi connection is good, you want to make your way over to any other app besides Instagram. It can be the App Store, TikTok, whichever app requires, a cell signal. You want to go in those specific apps. Now, right now in this area, the Wi-Fi signal is not good, so it may take a while for it to load up. But at this point, this is really all you have to do. You want to verify that you're able to load up things and it's good. Now, as you can see, it's taking a long time for this app to open up. So that pretty much tells me that I have a network issue. So I have to go and either connect to a better signal or I have to go and either move to a different location or whatever in order to get a better signal. So that's the very first way. If it's still taking a long time and you try to go into your Safari browser or any other app and it's still taking a long time, well, that's the number one thing I would recommend you to look at is to actually go ahead and connect to a better signal. Now, if that doesn't seem to be the issue, also this is the number two thing I would recommend you doing every single time is pretty much updating the app. So you want to go ahead and go into your app store right here. And if you're still having a network signal, obviously it's not going to work out for you. But you want to go ahead and go into your app store, whether the Play Store or whatever, and simply just update the app. That ends up being the way to fix it more times than not. Now, as you can see, it says connect to an app store, so that probably means there's an issue with this. So you want to go ahead and connect to a solid signal and then pretty much update your app that way. Now, let's say none of those things seem to be working. You are connected to a solid signal, you updated the app and everything, it still seems to be giving you issues. Well, the second thing I would recommend you doing to pretty much fix your Instagram app not allowing you to log in, it's really as easy as this. It may mean that Instagram servers are actually down. Now, what this pretty much means, and I just installed an icon back, so I don't even know. Okay, there we go. So pretty much what happens is that Instagram sometimes has issues on their backend, and it means that you won't necessarily be able to log into your specific device. Now, this is totally okay. It's not a your specific phone problem. It's pretty much a problem with everyone's Instagram accounts across the board. So how do you determine whether Instagram servers are actually down? Well, a great way to tell that I've seen throughout my life that I use it all the time is I literally watch a video like this or another one of my Instagram login videos, and I literally just see if, a lot of people are commenting at the same time. So I sort the comments by the latest comments, and then I just see if people are commenting back to back to back in like a matter of seconds or minutes, and that really just tells me that Instagram servers are down. Even if I go on Twitter or any other app, typically you get a good idea of the apps, whether the servers are down or not. So that's really the main thing I would recommend doing. You can also make your way over to Twitter. You can ask other people if they're having issues with, logging into Instagram. And those are typically the things that help me out the most. Now, if none of those things seem to be working, finally, the other thing you can do that I tend to do all the time is literally just restart my phone. So I'll literally go restart the device. So hold the power button and the volume up button, restart the phone, power it off, hold down the button again to power it back on, and then I go back into Instagram, and more times than not, this will also fix it. If it's not a network issue, a software issue, or a servers issue, restarting the phone will probably end up fixing it. If you're still not able to log in and it still tells you login failed, there may be an issue with your account, and you may have to contact Instagram to actually get it fixed. So that's really pretty much it. Those are the main ways to do it. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also, check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly, everything also, every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.